if you hose your unit off when you're watering your plants, watering your garden, doing your car, 2-3 times a year, I'll never have to chemically treat it. It's people who don't do it, and that stuff just gets caked in there, then it has to get done. So
I'll tell you, it got cold.
and I got customers doing the, oh my God, I'm afraid it's getting wet. And I look at them like,
It
really?
rains.
Does it get rained on? Do you really think you're going to hurt this thing by spraying water on it, people?
So Mark, when you say
common
spray,
sense left a lot of people.
how
With a
just a
spray.
mild spray, like just with a hose with the normal pressure?
Just
Yeah.
the regular garden,
Okay.
just with the regular
Okay.
spray nozzle.
Gotcha.
Especially-
Stuff coming off. It's just that I didn't know if it could go up under or.
No, but
Right.
especially if you have landscapers or you're cutting the grass and it's kind of thick around there, you're throwing it up in it.
Yeah.
Landscapers like to do that, they like to throw dirt all in it and.
You're out in the country a little bit, aren't you, Tim?
What's that?
You're out in the country up in Jordan.
No, it's not really country.
Okay. I mean, I don't consider myself out in the country, but Bordentown I consider out in the country. There's a lot of farms, a lot of dust, there's a lot of pollen, there's a lot of stuff that gets trapped in there. What they've done with these newer air conditioners, they put the fins a lot closer together to get more transfer. But by putting the fins closer together, they made an air filter. So yes, you're getting better transfer and these units are getting more efficient, but you got a big filter out there that you gotta clean out. And if you don't do it, I've seen, once again, amp readings, 20, 30%. I've seen some of them are even more than that.
Wow.
I mean, when they get really packed up, some of the older units, and the more dirtier they get, the more of a filtration they do. Because now you had a hole that was this big, now it's down to this big, now it's trapping even more stuff, now it's choked off. So
It's only gonna get worse.
when Zach does them, where I clean coils or whoever cleans coils, we get a lot of customers. We'll take pictures like this is before. Look at the garbage coming out with the foam, and it's like, holy crap! I didn't know it was that bad. So you can save yourself some money. Long story short, save yourself some money. Have these units maintained. Have them checked out. Use regular air filters. You can see your hand through on the other side, and keep that airflow going.
Two-part question, real quick. I got
Time's up.
okay. Wait till I get that done. I got the MERV 11, I believe, came with my thing. Should I be changing?
No,
going
you have
different
a
one?
air filtration system on there, which is 5 inches wide.
Okay.
You have an air box.
And I gotta say that years ago you told me to keep the house temperature no more than 1 to 2 degrees, which I just gotta tell everybody, my bills are steady every month because I've been doing that for years. I don't want the system to work harder just because I got home. So if we're traveling, I'll take it down, maybe up 2 degrees, and that's about it.
I mean, if you're traveling and you're going to be away for a week, let it go to 8, 9, 10 degrees. Don't turn it off, because you turn it off, you're letting all that humidity build back up in the house. It's like a pot of water, air. You got a big pot of water filled with a lot of water. The air is filled with a lot of humidity. It takes forever